Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Midweek Nightcap. I did say if I had some extra footage I would put another video together. I did a little job beginning of this week on the milling machine a Manifold for the lads. The machining was nothing, but the setup was a nightmare. So I sure exactly how I did that. It was a challenging job. I enjoyed doing it. It was a little bit sketchy, but I did the job. I got it done using what I had at hand. Don't forget, next Sunday is the monthly giveaway. These are the prizes that's going to be in the giveaway. If you want to enter, all you have to do is send me an email with your name, your full name, like John Mills, not just John. That's my email address up there. Your name goes into the bucket. If it's drawn out, I'll post it off to you anywhere in the world, completely free of charge. These are the prizes for next month's draw. There's a mug there from Extreme Plasma. Extreme Plasma actually sponsor my YouTube channel. There's a bell end T-slot cleaner. You can't go wrong with a bell end T-slot cleaner. Set of Cleveland drills, 1/2 mil to 10. These are good. I bought quite a lot of these just to give away, and they're all good drills. And of course a double boost hat. And one extra prize, a nice set of snap gauges. I got these given. I've already got a set. The set I've got a slightly better quality than these, but these are better than the cheap imported stuff. They're a decent set. They'll be included. Like I say, if you win this and you don't want these, you've got a set, give them to somebody that can use them or swap them or share things around a little bit. But we could certainly do with some sharing around at the minute. This is a very special manifold for a Volvo engine, plenum chamber. I made that flange there, and the lads actually fabricated the manifold up. He's made a really nice job of it, absolutely first class. What's happened unfortunately is this face here is bored. It's not bored badly, but it's not dead flat. He's not happy with it and he wants it right. So I've got to try and machine that face flat. There's absolutely nothing at all to mount it on. The only thing I've got is the underside of those. So what I'm going to attempt to do, or try to do, two bits of aluminium here. So I'm going to try and mount it on there. I'll drill and tap that for a T-bolt so I can screw these flat to the machine table, nice and tight, solid, and then try and clamp it down somehow on there. Might even put a little spigot in to go through that bolt hole, I'm not sure. But they're the only reference points I've got that are actually flat. It really has made a cracking job. It's some lovely welding on there. Even the welding them bushes in to take different injectors. Right. flash on the end there. Yeah, you bastard, you. I'm starting to struggle for height now, so I've had to put the drill straight on the area collet. Got slipping belts now. Right, so that one's screwed to the table. This is going to be sketchy to say the least. You can see my idea how I can use those 2 points, because that's all I've basically got that's anywhere near flat. Tighten this one in. I'm going to go out a little bit. In a little bit, but it's definitely possible. Definitely possible. That's not bad. Right, that's a 6mm tap head. If I machine a little bit off the head, drill and tap that 6mm, that'll screw in, and that's going to give it more rigidity. And I've just got to find some way of clamping it down. Possibly just a bar across there. Waiting for that to snap, weren't you? I was. So I've machined the heads down on 2 of these. So they should go into there and at least stop it from riving itself out, hopefully. And down below the surface. Right, so That one's actually thinner than that one. There's still plenty of material on it. Now we need to try and hold it down and then level it up as best we can. Something across there clamped. I can put jacks in and play with it, but at least it's sort of in the realms of where it's possible to do it. I could hold it like that, I suppose, but I don't think I'll be going to do that. Right, I'm going to play around with some jacks and see what I can sort out. Right, this is the setup I've got. 2 good clamps there. I've put a piece of angle on there and the other end. I've got a little jack there. It's reasonable. It's as good as I'm going to get. Getting very near now. One more leg cutter for this. I mean, I'm only taking 4 or 5 thou off. I'm taking nothing off it because I haven't got a really good hold of it. So I've got one more, the bastard, to do as well. It's that cut, just wait for this end and that's it done. Bastard. Very happy with that. Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And as always, a massive thanks for all the kind words and well wishes, and a special thanks to everybody who's going to work, keeping the country running, looking after everybody. It means a lot. Thanks very much. And that's right, paint. The wife's had us on decorating the spare bedroom. I absolutely hate decorating, but we had a laugh for work together and it worked out not too bad. So at least I'm spending a little bit of time in the house doing things for the pair of us, I suppose.